When people hear the phrase, nude workshop, their minds often drift towards something controversial or sensational. They might imagine a space filled with intrigue, mystery, or even scandal, fueled by whispers and misunderstanding. However, soft. The reality inside a life drawing studio is quieter, more academic than people think. The truth is, these workshops are classrooms, places of focused study and dedicated practice. Artists gather not for spectacle, but to learn to see, interpret, and render the human form, with honesty and skill. Inside, the mood is calm, steady concentration. The practice of drawing the human figure from a live model is not modern at all. Its roots reach deep into Western art. To understand today's nude workshop, we first look back, soft, to the classical world of ancient Greece and Rome. For these civilizations, the human body was a source of fascination, gentle, and real aesthetic importance. Sculptors and painters chased the ideal, celebrating strength, beauty, and grace. Discobolus, Venus de Milo, thoughtful, enduring symbols of artistic perfection, they served as living textbooks for generations, teaching anatomy and balance. That tradition rekindled and transformed in the Renaissance. Soft, a surge of artistic and scientific discovery. Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo, soft, led the charge. Driven by curiosity about the natural world, they sought to understand the body. Gentle, from the inside out. Anatomical dissections, drawing from live models, knowledge in the studio, and the study. This unlocked realism and emotional depth, muscle, bone, and living flesh. Soft, art schools formed, life drawing moved center stage. 18th, 19th centuries, academies grew formal, influential. École des Beaux-Arts, Paris, rigid programs where l'académie was essential. Students logged hundreds of hours sketching models, form, proportion, shading. Gentle. Many of those drawings now hang in major museums. At its core, the nude workshop has one profound purpose. Soft, it teaches artists how to see. It sounds simple, but translating a living, three-dimensional form onto a flat page is one of visual art's toughest challenges. A photo can catch a likeness. Drawing from life trains the eye to read underlying structure. Gentle. The workshop isolates that challenge, a laboratory where theory turns into tangible practice. First lesson, proportion. The body follows relationships, soft patterns you can learn. Head to torso, arms to legs, and so on. Repetition quietly internalizes those ratios. Gentle. With proportion, figures feel convincing. In life studies, imagination, and narrative scenes. Without it, wry, stiff, distorted, simply wrong. Beyond proportion comes anatomy and form. The unclothed body reveals muscles, bones, and tendons. You observe, a weight shift lifts a hip, a tensed arm pops the bicep, posture curves the spine. Gentle. It's not rote diagrams. Soft, it's seeing how internal structure shapes the surface. Light and shadow define form, chiaroscuro. Highlights ride the curves, deep shadows settle in hollows. Workshops shape lighting to emphasize these effects. Subtle steps, from brightest white to deepest black, sculpt the figure on the page, skills that carry into portrait, landscape, and still life. Gentle. Life drawing becomes universal training. Fundamentals practiced here echo across every medium. Soft pause. The modern nude workshop is not a bohemian free-for-all. Far from it. It's a structured professional space with clear rules and a code of conduct, essential for safety, respect, and learning. A facilitator runs the session, sets a pose schedule, times each pose, and enforces standards. The model's well-being comes first. They're professional collaborators, soft, and paid as such. Agreements outline terms, pose types, duration, and policies on artwork and photographs. Gentle. Privacy matters. Many workshops ban cameras and keep the space closed. Sessions balance focus with breaks. Rooms stay comfortable. Screens and robes are provided. Soft. Professionalism and clear boundaries protect the learning and everyone involved. An artist's journey in life drawing builds step by step. Soft. Skill by skill. Many sessions open with short poses, 30 seconds, 1 minute. Gentle gesture drawings. No time for detail. Capture essence, rhythm, action, weight. Train the hand to move confidently. See the whole. As poses lengthen, attention shifts to structure, constructive drawing. Soft, simple volumes build solid form, proportions refined between parts. Gentle. In 20-minute or multi-session studies, artists watch nuance, light, shadow, texture, detail. Rendering tonal shifts reveals roundness and hollows. Soft, patience and sensitivity grow. Quick gesture, dynamism and life. Constructive form, solidity. Patient rendering, realism and finish. Gentle. Step into a session. The first thing you notice is the profound quiet. Soft, not awkward silence, collective concentration. You hear charcoal scrape, graphite whisper, paper rustle. Looking turns into measuring angles, distances, the fall of light. Guidance stays brief and calm, tailored to each artist, preserving the room's focus. Gentle. A timer breaks the spell. A short rest brings quiet camaraderie. Then focus returns for the next pose. A steady, disciplined rhythm defines the session. Soft pause. Despite its long history, nude life drawing still rubs against broader cultural norms. Sensationalism. For participants, it's serious academic study. For some outsiders, it can spark discomfort, suspicion, even controversy. Loaded words and sensational media often distort what actually happens in the studio. Wry. Common concerns arise: exploitation and consent, sexualization, and privacy in a digital age. Gentle, reputable workshops respond with contracts, fair pay, firm rules, and photography bans. Enthusiastic consent and model agency are central. Pose choice, comfort, breaks, soft, and the right to stop anytime. Model releases define where artwork may be shown, sold, or shared, protecting image rights. The most ethical studios meet concerns with transparency, stronger safety protocols, and steady professionalism. Gentle. So, what truly happens inside a nude workshop? Focused, disciplined study, proportion, anatomy, light, and shadow. Soft. It's simple and complex. Perception depends on the viewer's lens. Is this art or controversy? Thoughtful pause. The answer may lie in how we choose to see. Soft. Is this art or controversy? Comment below.